Hi, my name is Sardar and you are watching Best For You channels. In this video I'm talking about how to change pendrive icon. Let's start it. How to change our pendrive that icon on our pictures. First of all, right click on picture, edit and file option, save as BMP picture. Click on that. Here is select a picture name. For example, my picture name is 1 and save as a type. Here is 24 bitmap. Then save. After that, I want to delete this old one. After that, click on text document, open it and type to run. Icon space is equal to space the picture name. Picture name is 1, then dot, then BMP. The picture extinguish is BMP. Let's see. Here is BMP, type of file, and write BMP. After that, click on file, save as. Here is the name of file. For example, to run dot info. This file name should be autorun.info. After that should be you must be write info, inf, and save as a type. Click all file and then save. Close that one and close this old one. Here is my two file. One is picture, other is text document. Select this one and cut and paste on pendrive. Here is. After that, remove the pendrive and again enter on computer. You will see here is my picture appear on pendrive icon. If you really like my video, please subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.